short way, 3-digit number by 1 digit. These questions are taken from page number 122 and 123. I am doing some questions here and you have to follow that rules and do the remaining questions which are given in your book exercise. So we'll start from here. Here the question is divide 800 divide 820 by 3. Okay, this is your question. You have to write in your copy neatly. I am erasing and doing it. So this heading, this you have to write heading in the copy. Now we'll do the division. Short way method. In short way method, children, we have to make this type of column. And as we are dividing 820, so 800 is dividend. That dividend you have to write the inside. Okay. And we are dividing 820 by 3. So 3 is the divisor. Divisor you have to write here. As you know, we always read the table of divisor, that is 3. So you have to read the table of 3. This is 0 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 8 is in hundred place. So in division, we start from hundred place. So you have to read the table of 3 till you are not getting the number 8 or the nearest number of 8, but it should not be more than 8. So we'll write the table in our rough work. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. And we came to know here that 9, number 9 is more than 8, which is given in the hundred place. Here 9 is more than 8. So 3 will go 2 times. 3 will go 2 times. Okay, will go 2 times. That is 3 twos are 6. So 2 here you have to write. Okay. Now this 8 which is given here, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, that is 2. 2 is left. So this 2 will go to the tens place. Okay, listen carefully. 2 will go to the tens place. Here you got the number 22 in the tens place. Now again you have to read the table of 3 till you are not coming to the number 22 or less, just less than the 22. So we'll write the table afterwards. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. This all is in rough work. Okay, don't include with that. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24. So 24 is more. So we'll go to 7 times only. That is 3 sevens are 21. Now 22 minus 21, how much is left? 1 is left. So 1 will go with 1's place, that is 10. Okay, that you don't have to write here, just to make you understand I am doing this. 10 will go there. Okay. Now again read the table of 3 and come close to the number 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So that is 3 threes are 9. Now what is left, children? 1 is remained. 1 is remaining. 1 is remained. So in this question, your quotient is 273, and what 1 is remain, no, that is the remainder and is 1. Understood? Now I am going to do this all thing you have to do in the rough work. You have to make rough work in your copy and do this way. Now I am going to do the next question of your book, that I am taking the last question of page 122. that is 4 divide by 861. This is short way method. Remember that. That is, this is long way method. If in exam it is asked to do in the long way method, you have to follow this way, or if short way method is given, you have to do by this way. Clear? Now children, what you have to do? This 4 is the divisor and 861 is the dividend. So you have to read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So if 4 will go 2 times, we'll get the number 8, which is given in the 100th place. So here you have to write 2. Understood? Now here 6 is there in the 10th place. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is more than 6. So we'll go one time only, 4 once. That is 4. Now 6, which is given here in 10th place. 6 minus 4. What is left? 2 is left. So here you got the number 21. Now read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. So 24 is more than 21. So we'll go 5 times only, 4 5s are 20. Now again 1 is the remainder. So in this question, quotient is 215 and your remainder is 1. Understood? Now I am going to do some questions of page number 123, that is division by 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Open your book along with this. Division by 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So here we have to divide the number by the long way method by the numbers such as here divisors are 10, 20, 30 and 40. So I am taking one example, that is 30, 192. 192 divided by 30. Now here you have to read the table of 30. Okay. So 30 table means you will be thinking, teacher, how to read 30 table? It is very difficult. It is not difficult at all, children. You can do in this way also, that 30, no? 30 ones are 30, like table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So you have to just put the 0 in front of that. Okay. 3 threes are 9, 0. 3 fours are 12, 120. 3 fives are 15, 150. 3 6 are 18, 180. Because we are writing 30, table 30, so you have to increase 1 0. 3 sevens are 200. 3 sevens are 21, no? So 210. And 3 eights are 200. 38s are 240. Clear? Now you have to go close to the number 192. Look here, 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 36 are 180 and 37s are 210. 210 is more than the number 192. So what you have to do? You have to go 6 times only. You have to reach this number only. So 3 36. 36 is 180. Now you have to subtract it. 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. Now here what is that? 1 minus 1, 0. Here the 0 which is before the number, it doesn't have any value. So your remainder is 12. Now you will be thinking that, teacher, how 12? Because this 30, divisor is more and remainder is less. So this 12 remainder will never come on the table of 30. Table means addition. It is addition. So always it is adding 30 plus 30. Okay. So this is what is left at last, which is less than the divisor. That is your remainder and 6 is your quotient. Got it? One more question I am doing for you. Okay. So here our this Class is over. These questions which I have explained here, that you have to do in the copy, and remaining all try to do in the copy only. In book there is not enough space. So do in the copy and show it to me. Thank you.